Do you like money? And are you a cryptocurrency enthusiast? If the answer to the above questions is yes, then you don't need any other reason to buy FANZ. You should know better than to ignore a new, fresh-off-the-shelf, underrated token with solid fundamentals like FANZ. In the ever-constant search for the next big thing to make you into a millionaire, these FANZ tokens are a dream come true. Still skeptical? Want to know why you should put your trust in this very wise investment? Then you need to stick around to the end. Most folks in the world of cryptocurrency are constantly on the prowl for the next underrated token that will hit the market and make massive gains. If you are one of those people, well, congratulations on watching this video. The search is over, the period of waiting is complete. You've found the ultimate dark horse to bet on. Standing before you is the FANZ token, the next coin guaranteed to rip into this bull market. The FANZ token will do this because of its utility. By that we mean it grants access to the FANZ copy trading platform. This incredible platform is a great way for everyone to earn a little extra money and build on their dream to become a millionaire. With this decentralized platform, you can earn money in both bull markets and bear markets. Bull markets make it easy for everyone to make money. Flipping your portfolio has never been easier than it is right now. However, every smart crypto analyst knows that in the end, only coins with solid fundamental utility will remain standing. With the ever-increasing profits made in bull markets, you too can now follow in the footpaths of successful people to build your bank account and make profits. The best way to do this is to invest in FANZ. With FANZ, you can copy the trades of the successful professional traders who have been able to turn the tides and make a profit yourself too. The platform is set to be released in the fourth quarter, Q4 of the year 2021, and that will be the best thing that ever happened to humanity since the invention of sliced bread and the discovery of Australia. Since the launch of the FANZ token in September, it's been stable and dependable. One major problem all cryptos face is volatility. Yes, we know it can be a good thing. We also know that it's volatility that's one of the most exciting factors of crypto. But sometimes it won't be bad to enjoy stability as well. If dependability is more your thing, you need to check out the FANZ token. You won't have to deal with the seesaw of emotions and instability that is common with other coins. The FANZ token might not be a real token utility yet. The FANZ community, though, is really excited by it and is working to make it the best thing to happen to crypto since the invention of Bitcoin. With the faith the community has in the project, they're holding on to their coins. Don't be so surprised if millionaires are cropping up all over the place in the next year or so. A common sight in the FANZ Telegram group is the hashtag #MyFANZAreNotForSale. This is an indication that most people are choosing to play the long game with the FANZ tokens. So what would learned people and experts in everything that has to do with cryptocurrency decide to go for in the long term if they don't believe in the token? If you want to join in on the action and not regret your inaction in the near future, check out the description for a link to buy FANZ tokens now. Because there is no utility yet, you can bank on the prices of the tokens hitting the roof and even breaking it, thereby setting new standards when the actual FANZ copy trading platform launches. Is there any better feeling than watching others scramble and regret whilst you're comfortably cocooned with prior knowledge keeping you safe, warm and happy? I mean, while we know we are not financial advisors and you could say we're a little bit biased because we do love this token, why don't you take a moment to think about it? Would we be this confident, this relaxed, this reassured if we didn't know that better days are just ahead? We would say you do you, but success is only sweet when everyone succeeds. The patient dog, they say, eats the fattest bone, and dinner is about to be served. The FANZ team is shooting for the mass adoption of the FANZ token. With their mission and their vision, they've been able to create a simple user interface that allows even the most technologically ignorant person to maneuver this platform. With FANZ, it's become a lot easier now to invest in crypto and bank on the knowledge and experience of the more successful traders. By basically spoon-feeding this service to you, the FANZ team is opening the opportunity for more people to join and support the platform. The more people join, the higher the process of the FANZ token. This is the right long-term investment that will pay itself off multiple times in the near future. FANZ was not just built on wishes and dreams, it's the product of months of thoughts, experience and dedication. The founders of FANZ have gained a ton of experience in both centralized finance and decentralized finance. With their experience and understanding of the deficiencies and issues that surround the centralized finance world, they've set out to fix those errors and bring about a new and improved world, otherwise known as the decentralized world. Better concepts always catch on, and this will soon become very important in the future. The platform is also said to be filled with gamification, a process that will encourage both retail investors and pro traders to climb up the leaderboards. At the top, there are prizes for each trader that manages to get there. The prizes will be won based on the performance of the investors within a certain time frame. There is also a very extensive trading view within the FANZ platform, where you can make use of the centralized exchange functionalities to complete your task. With the FANZ platform, you can pick the best or the cheapest exchange to execute your trade without having to create an account for that particular exchange. Purchasing the FANZ token is the right step in the direction of financial freedom. It's sure to take the world by storm and make huge waves, and now is the best time to join in on the action. Be sure to check out FANZ on Twitter, and you should also like and subscribe to this channel for many more videos like this. Till next time, stay safe and hodl FANZ.